Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Samsung model and Android build. This matters because the system cloner targets matching partitions. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. Make sure OEM unlock is active if cloning system images. You should back up personal files to cloud or SD. You will need at least 50% battery or keep the charger connected. Now connect the device to your PC or secondary phone and open Samsung System Cloner app to start the operation. You pick the source system image inside System Cloner, and you should verify the image signature and available free space. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, choose the target, either a separate clone slot on the internal storage or an external SD/USB. Make sure the target ID is correct to avoid overriding. Once selected, grant required permissions. The app may request access to storage and system settings. Then tap Start. During copying, monitor progress and do not disconnect the device or You finish by rebooting into the clone system and testing core apps, Wi-Fi, and accounts. This proves the clone succeeded. If booting fails, remain calm, revert to your backup, or repeat the cloning with the correct image and sufficient target space. Mismatched builds cause most failures. Also collect system logs and try safe mode to isolate problematic apps. If you still have trouble, make sure OEM unlock and permissions were set before cloning. Then retry step by step to avoid repeating the same mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.